Stop crushing your cigar. Stop treating it like a cigarette. Seriously. Look, we've all been that guy, finished smoking and bam, crushed it like it's trash. But here's the kicker. Most mistakes actually happen at the end, not at the start. The way you put out a cigar affects the smell, the taste, and the overall experience if you ever try to relight it. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to end a cigar properly and even save it when life interrupts your smoke. Hey friends, welcome back to Swiss Cuban Cigars, your go-to spot for cigar tips, tricks, and those little secrets that make smoking way more enjoyable. Today we're talking about something that most people actually ignore, how to put out a cigar properly. Whether you're a beginner who doesn't know better or an experienced smoker stuck in bad habits, this video is for you. Why most people get it wrong? Well, here's the thing. Many people treat cigars like cigarettes when finishing them. You know, just crush it, stomp it, or blow it out. Most mistakes actually happen at the end, not the start, and they impact smell. A smashed cigar releases harsher smoke that can linger in the room or your humidor long afterwards. Taste, if you plan to relight, the last inch bitterness can ruin the flavor. Overall experience, the final moments of a cigar are delicate and they deserve attention. Beginners usually don't know this, and experienced smokers, well, habits form over time, sometimes bad ones. So if crushing is the wrong move, what should you do instead? How to put out a cigar properly. Step 1, let it die naturally. Place it in your ashtray, no blowing, no crushing. The last inch is hotter and can be bitter, so letting it go out slowly keeps the taste smooth. Step 2, optional gentle tap. If you need to dispose of it faster, then lightly flick the ash off. You know, think of it like saying goodbye. Don't punch it. Step 3, don't bury it. Let it rest until it's fully out. And in social gatherings, restaurants, parties, cigar lounges, this is even more important. Just place it neatly in the ashtray. It looks calm, confident, and way more classy than crushing it like you're mad at it. But what happens if you're not done and life suddenly ruins your smoke? Saving half-smoked cigars for later. Look, life happens. Maybe someone knocks on your door or you have to leave unexpectedly. Throwing away a half-smoked cigar, especially a premium one, hurts, and that hurts both your wallet and your soul. So here's how to save a half-smoked cigar. Put it out first. Rest it in the ashtray and let it go out naturally. Trim the foot. Cut about ½ inch behind the ash line so the end is clean. Wrap and store it. Place it in its wrapper or a Ziploc bag. For extra protection, an airtight tube is perfect. Keep it separate from your humidor collection. Important rule, don't put it back in your humidor. That's how one half-smoked cigar can make all of your fresh cigars smell suspicious. Quick check-in. If you're still watching, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, are you the type who saves half-smoked cigars, or do you panic and crush them? Be honest, this is a safe space. Back to the video. Okay, now, let's say you saved it. How do you bring it back to life without ruining it? Relighting a saved cigar. First rule, don't wait for too long. Try to smoke it again within 24 to 48 hours. After that, flavor usually goes downhill, and at that point, it might be time to say goodbye. Before relighting, do a quick purge. Light the foot, fill your mouth with air, and blow the air out through the cigar. Do that up to 3 times. This clears out old smoke, tar, and oils from last time. It's basically a little detox for your cigar. After that, light it normally and take slow, gentle puffs. And remember, if you crushed it earlier, no amount of relighting magic is going to save that flavor. How to dispose of a cigar properly. Here's one last quick tip on how to throw it away without stinking up your place. If you're indoors, don't toss it straight into the trash. Put it in a small plastic bag first, especially if it's a stronger cigar, unless you want your kitchen to smell like yesterday's smoke. At home, the smart move is a small metal trash can just for cigar nubs, placed outside or in the garage. Please, never flush a cigar down the toilet. That's not cigar etiquette, that's just a plumbing emergency. So now you know how to put a cigar out properly, how to save a half-smoked cigar for later, and how to relight it without ruining the flavor. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Are you the type who saves half-smoked cigars, or do you panic and crush them? And if you're still figuring out which cigar shape suits you best, or you're just curious about those weird looking cigars, then check out our last video on different cigar shapes and how to pick the perfect shape for your taste. It will save you from choosing the wrong cigar before you even light it. Remember, it's not just about lighting a cigar, it's about finishing it the right way too. Stay classy, and I'll see you in the next one.